Find the values of p and q so that the expression px cubed plus qx squared minus 58x minus 15 is divisible by both x minus 3 and x plus 5. So if a factor of our expression is x minus 3, then we're going to substitute 3, positive 3, into our expression. And if a factor of our expression is x plus 5, then we're going to substitute minus 5 into our expression. So we're going to get an f of 3 and an f of minus 5. So f of 3 will give us p times 3 cubed plus q times 3 squared minus 58 times 3 minus 15. So what we did was we swapped each of those x's for 3 with brackets around it. So 3 cubed is 27, and 27 times p is 27p. 3 squared is 9, and 9 times q is 9q. Minus 58 by 3 is minus 174. Bring down the minus 15 and let that all equal to 0. Then we're going to rearrange our equation so that we have our letters on the left and our numbers on the right. So the 27p and the 9q stay on the left, and minus 174 minus 15 give us minus 189, and we bring them over the equal sign to give us plus 189. Then we divide across by 9 to get 3p plus q equals 21. So now we have one equation in terms of p and q. So then we're going to substitute minus 5 in place of each of the x's. So we get p times minus 5q cubed plus q times minus 5 squared minus 58 times minus 5 minus 15. Minus 5 cubed is going to be minus 125, and multiplied by p we get minus 125p. Minus 5 squared is going to be 25, and multiplied by q we get 25q. Minus 58 by minus 5 is plus 290. Bring down the minus 15 and let it all equal to 0. And again, we're going to rearrange our equation so we have our letters on the left and our numbers on the right. So minus 125p and 25q stay on the left of the equal sign, and plus 290 minus 15 give us 275, and bringing those over the equal sign we get minus 275. Then we divide across by 25, giving us minus 5p plus q equals minus 11. So now we have a second equation in terms of p and q, and now we're going to solve them simultaneously. So we take the 3p plus q equals 21, we write it down here. We take the minus 5p plus q equals minus 11, and we write it down here. We're going to change the signs of our bottom equation so that the q's will cancel. So the red signs are the new signs. And 3p plus 5p is 8p. 21 plus 11 is 32. And 32 divided by 8 is 4, so p is equal to 4. Then we're going to substitute 4 in place of the p in one of the equations, and I'm going to go with the top one. So we have 3p plus q equals 21. Swap the p for 4 with brackets around it. 3 by 4 is 12, plus q equals 21. Q equals 21 minus 12, so q is equal to 9. So we were asked to find the values of p and q. We got p is equal to 4, q is equal to 9.